Κυρίες και κύριοι, καλησπέρα! Today we have a delicious Greek pasta salad recipe. Now we're going to need a pot, boiling water, add some olive oil, 2 to 3 good pinches of salt, and then add the pasta, which we're using Fusilli pasta, and they take around 7 to 8 minutes to cook. When the pasta is ready, we're going to want to drain it and then rinse it out with a bit of cold water just to cool it down a bit. We're going to use a nice big mixing bowl, add our pasta, cherry tomatoes which we chopped in half, diced green pepper, thinly sliced red onion, sliced olives, cucumber chopped up into little pieces, and Greek feta chopped up as well into little cubes. One-third of a cup olive oil, squeeze a half a lemon, three nice pinches of salt, and 2 extremely nice pinches of oregano. Now you want to give everything a really good mix. After you gave it a really good mix, it's time to serve. This Greek pasta salad goes great either on its own or with a nice juicy steak or chicken. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη!